Hi everyone, this is Kushash Ravishmani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to give a sneak peek on how you can contribute to a NeoVim plugin. It's going to be a very short video because I understand people don't really like long videos. So I wanted to summarize on what we have learned so far in the last 2 or 3 streams. All those videos have been recorded and put on my YouTube channel. So if you want to really go through in depth and what we have been doing over the last few days, you can please take a look at my channel. But okay, today's very short video is going to be about how you can contribute to a NeoVim plugin, and the plugin I'm going to talk about is Telescope. Ideally, the way I generally start is always getting started with the plugin itself, try to understand how it works. So let's say, okay, let me just quickly use FCF for this, pickers.lua, open this file. Okay, now ideally the way I would start with is just trying to use it. So for example, here I'm going to search for something. Let's say I'm going to search for to do. Okay, so there are these results that I find. Okay, now, this is one thing I used to do a lot of times before. So let's say I'm done with this search. Okay, I exit. Okay, I'm exiting. Cool, I'm done. Okay. Now, next time I want to say, okay, can you please give me the last search? And if you see in my key maps, there's a last search shortcut as well. I hit enter. It will open the last search for me, which is currently the last search itself. Okay, because for telescope this is also the last search. But just FYI, I have a key map. Okay. So next time if I do this, there you go. It opens the same thing again. But next time I'm trying to search something and I realized that, okay, no, I don't want to search anything. So I just close this window. Okay, this is an empty string. Or even if I type, let's say if I'm typing, but I know I don't want to. So I just deleted everything and that's it. So the last search is ideally empty. Okay. And I exit from here. But when I open the last search, it's empty again. Okay. And this is one thing that was always bothering me because I would want the non-empty last search to come up, and that's what I wanted to do. So for that thing, I created my own PR and I can quickly talk about it. But essentially that was a bug that I thought it exists. It might not be a bug according to maintainers, but this is something that I wanted as a use case for myself. So even if not to the upstream, I really wanted to fix this for myself, and that's what I've done. So maybe I can quickly walk you through. Alright, so here we go, right? So this is the PR I created. The link to this PR will be in the description down below. But what I was trying to do, as I said, was please note that this PR is for discussion first. I was not sure whether maintenance will be happy with it. I was able to find where exactly this is used, and all I'm doing is I'm checking if current prompt is empty. If it's empty, then only you, if it's not empty, then only you cache. Otherwise, you will not. And that's a very small if condition that I put. So essentially telescope stores somewhere in cache, right? And you can enable it like how many elements you want in the last previous searches and all. So those are configurable things. So whenever the picker is closed on close prompt, this will be called, and cache, like the picker is basically just storing it somewhere. And I wanted to check if the current prompt is nil, or if it's empty, then you don't do it, otherwise you do it. And that's a very quick fix that we have done, and it already works. So yeah, this is a small fix that I've done, and I would ideally suggest everyone to probably get started with it, right? And try to maybe see how you can contribute. There's a very small demo I wanted to show if you want to pick up an issue. So I've been working on how telescope uses linked list, and for that all you can do is, yeah, over here there's an entry manager thing that they use for adding every row to the picker that you see over here, right? So example, if I'm typing something, if I'm typing one more letter, these every time the result comes up, it redraws on this display, right? One by one. And what you would want is you would want a bulk setter which essentially does not have these many redraws from display. And this is a to do, and I would love if anyone wants to pick it up, please go ahead and do it. That was a very small video on how we can get started, how we can pick up some ideas. But in gist, it's all about how you can get started using it. And whenever you see an issue, don't try to hide away from it and just run away that, okay, maybe this is a feature that they wanted. It's ideal that it's an important discussion to have with maintainers. So please feel free to create an issue about it. And if you're a developer, you might want to actually go into the source code and try to find the cause of it. And even if it doesn't fix for the upstream, it fixes for you. It's in a way contributing to your own plugin. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much. If you like the content, please make sure to subscribe and like the content. If you didn't like the video, please be constructive enough to have a comment down below and let me know how you felt about it. Thank you so much. This was Kushash Ravishmani. Bye bye.